Naiuwi na ng Taiwan ang cremated remains ng actress na si Barbie Sue na pumanaw kamakailan dahil sa influenza-related na sakit. Mula sa Japan ay dala ng kanyang asawa ang labi nito. Kaya naman, sa isang Instagram ay nagsalita din si Koo Jun-yup tungkol sa mga fake news na lumalabas ngayon. Ayon sa kanya, may mga taong tila ng gugulo at nagiging issue ngayon ang insurance at mga kayamanang naiwan ng actress. Ayon kay Koo Jun-yup, lahat ng pinaghirapan ni Barbie ay bunga ng dugot pawis nito at walang sino man ang pwedeng mangialam. Sinabi din niya na poprotektahan niya ang kanyang asawa, pati na rin ang mga anak. Narito ang kanyang naging pahayag.
On February 2, 2025, my angel returned to heaven. First, we would like to express our deepest gratitude to the many people who mourn. Right now, I am going through a top of this indescribable sadness and pain that feels like my intestines are about to burst. I didn't have the strength to say anything or didn't want to. But before the pain and mourning of the great loss could pass, devil-like people began to criticize my family and my love. Some people are walking around in the rain pretending to be sad, while others are hurting our family by making up fake news about insurance and costs to try to tarnish our family. These bad people really exist in the world. The thought makes me even afraid. All of the inheritance was saved by He-Won through her blood and sweat to protect her beloved family. So I plan to give all authority over me to my mother-in-law. We are trying to take legal action through a lawyer to protect children until they become adults so that bad people can't touch them. For me, the time spent with He-Won was a precious and unique gift that I cannot exchange for anything in the world. I think the last thing I'll do is to protect the families I love the most. For the last time, I bow my head and thank everyone for your love and condolence for our He-Won. Ito ang naging pahayag ng asawa ni Barbie Sue. Sa puntong ito ay natutuwa naman ng mga fans dahil maayos ang naging pahayag ng asawa ni Barbie at gagawin niya ang lahat para maingatan ang pangalan ni Barbie pati na rin ang mga taong mahal nito.